Hello, digital marketing owners and managers. My name is Umesh Vadhva. I am 32 years old, living in India, Asia. I am interested to work with any digital agency or managers for their ads management and similar works. And before I speak for the ads and paid social campaigns or paid ad campaigns in Google, I want to tell I want to tell I am also able to work as an assistant to any managers or company for digital related services such as creating landing pages with WordPress in Elementor or Divi or a ClickFunnels etc. And I can also assist your clients such as assist them to upload their product on our website etc on the chat. And my conversational English is good, and my on video or call I'm slow in speaking in English. Okay. Now I want to tell you about the my interest. I am willing to do work with agencies as a paid media buyer. One second. Uh, I want to tell you that many people have the wrong impression about the paid campaigns, that to get successful in these networks we have to need extraordinary we need extra high professional websites, landing pages, or high professional images and descriptions of ads and titles, then only we can get success. But this is not the truth. uh, the main thing about the paid ad campaigns is that we have to optimize our ad for conversions. Okay. We cannot get the and if we ne- one second. For example, we have images, titles, and descriptions and landing pages, which we rank them out of. Generally, we are ranking them out of 100 and 35 out of 100. That doesn't mean we cannot get the success in these type of campaigns. We cannot get easily conversions on these type of campaigns. First of all, before I talk about this, I want you all also note that whenever I say conversions, assume that I am talking about the sales or final purchase. Example, we are car renting company, then our conversion will be car booking, getting the final payment of the for our car booking service. Okay. Now coming back to the point that if we have average images, landing pages, or description or title, then also we can get the success in Facebook or Google ads. The main thing, they should be only relevant. Okay. uh, for example, we are running campaigns for the booking hotels, then it should be relevant to the hotel booking, not to the it should be relevant to car booking or car renting service or property buying etc. Saying that also note that I am not saying that if we have these all stuff material of or related to ads campaign, if we get 70 out of 100, 75 5 or 70 plus out of 100, then it's not beneficial. It will definitely give us the better results, compare minimum 5 to 7% as compared to when we are have only average these material. But still we can get the success if we properly optimize our ad for sales or proper qualified leads. Okay. My experience with digital marketing is more than 3 years. I can set up the ads pixel if the site is made with WordPress or Shopify. I can also update or create tags in Google Tag Manager and triggers. I can make them. I can handle Google Tag Manager as well as basic level, and I also know how to properly set the campaign. I can set up the proper number of ad set in the particular campaign and proper number of ads in the particular campaign according to the budget and the previous data of the ads manager. Okay, and as I previously said in the video that I also know about the how to create the landing pages with DV and Elementor and ClickFunnels for generating leads, etc. The basic landing magic works I properly know, and I also know how to edit images in Canva. The basic level of graphic design I know I can work in that. But if you have designer and other website developer, then it is better option. I can work with them, coordinate and work with them. Now I want to talk to you again for the Facebook and Google Ads campaign, the media buying services, that I am comfortable if the service or the product is getting minimum 20 conversions in a week. Okay, if any product or service is getting 20 conversions in a week, then I can handle that type of business or service very well. Same example as same example of assuming that we are a car renting company and we are getting 20 conversions within a week, if by ads, or even we are getting these conversions from SEO or our offline, we are getting these conversion, then I can run these type of businesses and services very well. Okay, and if we are not getting the conversions of at least 15, okay, as assume that we are media buying service, we providing media buying services, then it's not easy to get 15 or 20 conversions in a week constantly. Even if we get so, then it is not easy to get next week same kind of conversions for digital media buying services. Okay, or take we I want to give you another example. Assuming that we are selling products to a builder, property builder, okay, in bulk, then it this type of businesses not get the conversions, get he's supposed to get conversions, 15 conversions in a week. Okay, he might be get one or two conversions, or he might be get only one conversions in a month. Having said that, though, I can handle and create the strategy for these type of business and services, but the success chance of getting success is lower than the which I have said before. We will optimize this type of business as an appointment, online or offline appointment. We will try to make conversions for these type of businesses, as we okay. I can understand the pain of the client or agency owner when they ran a campaign and didn't get the result success. Okay, the thing is they didn't have only stake their money on us, on agency owner or freelancer or etc. They also given hard earned money there on the Facebook and Google. Okay, so I can understand if I see the conversions are not we can't be, it's a lower chance to get success, then I will inform previously to the our manager or agency owner. Now I want to say that Google ads and the Facebook ads most probably run on the same fundamentals. They works on the how we give data to them. Okay, but the Google ads are comparatively little especially the search ads, little higher than the Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And if you want to know that which platform is better for your desired service or product, for your client product or services, then I can tell you that which obviously it is on the testing, but still I will tell you which is the best platform for that given product or services. I can tell you free, but the here on Upwork that we cannot give services to free, so I will charge you the price for this less than a pizza. Okay, and if you also for hire me for your agency and or or any digital marketing services, then also my charges will be very less compared to the other freelancers. And I'm now available in a week, 40 hours, up to 40 hours in a week. And I'm also available to work on weekends. Now the main thing is that if you are an agency owner, manager, and you are looking to hire for to run ads for your clients, or you are looking to hire a media buyer, then I am the right choice. I will be the right, definitely be the right choice. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. See you soon.